So this is it, the world premiere of the new Porsche Taycan. I'm going to help host the event on the 4th of September. So stay tuned and look forward to seeing you there. Tribies, well, guess what? You get all the access. As tribe leader, I'm here with the latest Porsche Taycan. So when I say latest, it's the latest, highest, best spec that we have. I drove it quite a while ago, so let's get behind the wheel.
We really enjoy spending the time with him, getting his feedback.
Very much improved, I must say. The guys have done a tremendous job. I was quite tough on them the last time I drove it, and yeah, some of the steps they've made literally are incredibles.
There have been definitely some issues or discussion last May in terms of, for example, the braking system. Our engineers, they've been working very, very hard on it, and they definitely fixed it. So the brake is very good, he said today.
It has actually blown me away today, I must say. And no one's an expert in this yet, you know, because it's just such new technology and it's such an aggressive concept that everyone here at Porsche is trying to do. So it's really, really exciting, frightening, but we cannot wait to get this car into production. This is the latest spec that we have. So it was an honor to drive it today, and yeah, the journey continues.